If you're looking for an ideal student accommodation in Leeds, then look no further than the Concept Place. This property features a wide range of well-furnished ensuite rooms, studios, and one-bedroom flats for students. There's bike storage, laundry facility, vending machine, and printers to take care of your daily needs. When you're done with your assignments, you can socialize in the common area and relax on the sofas while watching your favorite series on the flat-screen TV or enjoy a game of pool with your new friends. One of the amazing things about this property is its exceptional location. Leeds City College, University of Leeds, and Leeds Metropolitan University are all within a 15-minute walk from your new home. When you want to head out, the city center is just 10 minutes away on foot, where you'll find every kind of shop, restaurant, bar, and a solid entertainment hub. When you're in the mood for exploring nearby cities, you can walk for 13 minutes and reach the Leeds railway station, where you can board a train to your destination. So make this ideal student house your new home away from home. Head to amberstudent.com and book your happy stay today.